Wow, look at all these little kitty cats. I come home and I see all these kitty cats at my house. And of course, I give them some pizza. Look at them, they're eating pizza. Pepperoni, yummy. Oh, kitty kitty. There's another little baby kitty. Yeah, where's all the kitties? Oh, there's a kitty cat. Get out of the road. There's a tuxedo kitty that's running across the street. And a little baby kitty. Get out of the road. They're just laying there, letting cars pass by. You better get out of the road. This one has a little white tip on its tail, see? Ain't that cute? All black with a little white tip. Oh, this is the mama kitty. Oh, here's Calico. Come here, Calico. Oh, she's running across. Get out the street. Oh, they're so cute. What else have we got here? Oh, here's another little baby boy. Oh, look at him. He's so pretty. There he is. Hey, buddy. Hey, baby. Hey, baby boy. Oh, he's saying hello. He's saying hello. Aw, his name's Smokey. Ain't he pretty? Oh, yeah. Saying hello.